Teachers, what's the best thing a student has ever said? I teach high school math and had this quiet kid Mike in my class. Never talked, but solved problems faster than I could write them. The kind of smart that makes other kids jealous. Then there was Brad, the football captain. He'd spend more time bullying kids than doing work. One day, he was extra mean, throwing paper balls at Mike's head during our test. I warned him twice, but Brad just laughed. Who cares about math anyway? Brad smirked. My dad says I'll inherit his car dealership. I don't need this nerd stuff. The whole class watched as Brad walked up to Mike's desk. Hey, genius, he said loud enough for everyone to hear. Bet you can't even count how many girlfriends I've had. Mike didn't even look up from his paper. Actually, anyone can hook up with strippers. No shock why you can't find real GF. The room went dead quiet. Then someone snorted. Suddenly, everyone was laughing so hard that Mrs. Smith next door came to check on us.